let's expand these logarithms. Notice I don't even have to write this 10 here, because if it's not written, the assumption is that it's log base 10. So I'll just erase that. And the way to do these is first notice this 3 right here is not over the entire argument. It's only over the numerator. So we're going to use the one rule that says that if you're taking the log of a quotient, you can turn that quotient into a difference. So I take it's log of 4n cubed minus log root 5. And then these ones can be further simplified right here. So that's like 4 times n cubed. So when you're taking the log of a product, that turns into a sum. So it's log of 4 plus log of n cubed minus log, and I'm going to write this as 5 to the 1/2 power because that's what it is. And now I can take exponents, these ones, and bring them down to the front. So your final answer is log of 4 plus 3 log of n minus 1/2 log of 5. That's how you do that problem. This one here is the first. Notice this one isn't, just like I was talking about up at the top here, that 3, you can't bring that 3 down first. A lot of people do this out of order. It's kind of like order of operations almost. So for this one, now I can, in fact I should bring this -1 down to the front. I don't have to, I could distribute it if I wanted to, but I'm going to bring that -1 down to the front times the natural log of x over 2. And now that thing right there can simplify to the natural log of x minus the natural log of 2, but you need to make sure you put parentheses around it because after all that -1 is out front of that whole thing. And now I can distribute the negative in, natural log of x plus the natural log of 2. There's your answer. Now let's do this a different way. Let's do this, instead of taking the -1 down first, let's see if we get the same answer, which we should. Instead of taking that -1 down first, let's distribute the -1 in, like this. That's another option you could have done. In fact, let's do it an even better way. If you remember, if you're taking something to the negative first power, that's the same thing as flipping them on the inside. Whoop. It's the natural log of 2 over x, which equals the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of x, which is the same as what I had down here. So it did work. 3 ways that you could have done it. I guess I just showed you 2 ways. The third way is like I was showing you. I'll go ahead and show you the third way really quickly. If you had distributed this negative in, it's the natural log of x to the -1 over 2 to the -1. And now I could take and break this up into the natural log of x to the -1 minus the natural log of 2 to the -1. And now I could take each of these and bring them down to the front. And I would get negative natural log of x, positive natural log of 2, which is the same answer. All of those are the same.